Hey, we are on day 4 of the DreamLife Gratitude Challenge, where every day I will present to you a different topic of something that I am grateful for. And if you would like to participate, simply hashtag DreamLife Gratitude Challenge. And on the 7th day, which also happens to be Thanksgiving, I will choose someone to offer a free ticket to my upcoming Vision Board workshop happening in Houston, Texas on December 5th at Hotel Indigo from noon to 4. Okay, so today's topic of what I am so grateful for is my health. So today has been a bit of a hectic day for me, to where I was doing quite a bit and going from thing to thing. And when I do that, sometimes I have a tendency to feel overwhelmed or to feel irritated. So at some point throughout my day, I paused and I asked myself, okay, if you're getting so irritated, then why are you doing it? And it forced me to look at the bigger picture of why this was necessary for me to do. And it also made me think about a time where I wouldn't have been able to do everything that I did today. And that was last year when I had a wrist injury. And I also ended up having my first surgery. And it was a time where I was very limited. And even still, I have reminders to where I feel aches and pains and can't move my left wrist as much as my right wrist. And it just reminds me to be thankful for what's right. So often it's when I wake up and something's wrong that it takes all my focus and it takes all my energy. Whereas the days that I'm walking just fine, or I'm feeling fine, I can exercise without aches or pains, or let's talk about mental health. I wake up in my right mind. I just have clear, just focus throughout my day. It's easy for me to overlook that because it's right, it's running fine. But the things that are bothersome, or the things that are triggers for, hey, something's wrong, something's not normal, that takes my energy. And I choose today, and furthermore, to focus my energy on what's right. And even if it doesn't alert me that, it needs my attention, for me to recognize it as it is, waking up feeling good, to appreciate it and to be grateful. Especially now in the midst of COVID and everything that we're going through, I'm so grateful for my health, and I thank you for you all listening today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.